So I was out the other night and a woman came up to me and she happened to be in the real estate business. And I think she worked up in the Westport area. And she kind of tapped me on the shoulder and she recognized me and she said, what was your best sale of the year? Now she was expecting me to give her a dollar amount, like say, I had a $3 million sale or I had a $4 million sale. But when I looked at her, I kind of said, I thought for a second and I said, well, there was a woman and she was 89 years old and she was in her house for almost 60 years. And I sold that house. But the point I'm trying to make is that she didn't want to move. She didn't want to leave the house. She wanted to die there, but it wasn't safe for her. So to watch the entire family come together to help this lady find a place to go that was safe, to help her declutter and take her memories with her. So it wasn't about the dollar amount. That's the story that I told her was my best sale of the year. It was watching that family come together and it was watching the joy that this woman had and watching everybody move her out and watching the people help declutter and help this woman was a very satisfying, joyful transaction. So it's not always about the money. It's about helping people.